Welcome to our video on multi-lane roundabouts. We filmed a lot of it using a drone to give you a completely different angle to help you understand the roundabouts even better. On this roundabout, we're going to follow the road ahead second exit. We can see it's coming up because of the big green sign on the left, so centre off the gas. Looking far ahead, we can just about make out that there's 3 lanes, and we want the middle one. So centre mirror, right mirror, so we can get in this middle lane. Looking to the right nice and early, but braking as if we're stopping. Now there is a gap for us, but I'm going to pause the video at the line. As you can see, there's 3 lanes on the roundabout. We've approached in the middle one, so we need to stay in the middle one. So imagine where these white lines would be that I've put on the screen for you, and then follow the green line round. So we don't get in the way of the people on the left, and we don't get in the way of the people on the right. As we go on the roundabout, after this first exit, we're then going to take up the left lane because they've gone left. So centre mirror, left signal as well because we're taking the second exit. As we come off the roundabout, cancelling the signal, new road, new mirrors. I'm now going to show you the same footage, but from the drone view. I'm going to pause it in the same place, which is now. So I've drawn the white lines again, so as you can see, we should stay between them, following this green line around, so that we don't get in the way of the people using the left lane and the right lane. There isn't a lot of space, so it's very important that we get our position absolutely perfect. On this roundabout, we're going to go right second exit. This multi-lane roundabout has a bus lane involved with it as well, so I'm going to help you understand that as we go through it. So I'm going to pause the video just here. The first clue the roundabout has a bus lane is from this sign. The sign shows us the left lane's left only, unless you're a bus or a cycle. So that tells us when we go onto the roundabout, there's probably going to be a bus lane. So centre mirror, right signal for the roundabout. Looking to the right as early as possible, looking for those gaps. Now we can see the signs for the bus lane. We're going to let the video go a little bit further forward so you can see it better. So I'm going to pause it just here. This is the point where we would centre mirror, left mirror to start signalling left to then move into the left lane to exit the roundabout. As you can see though, it's a bus lane. There's quite a few clues. It says bus lane on the floor. We've got the blue bus lane sign. And the line dividing the left lane and the right lane is a solid white line. As we can see, it is a little bit faded, but you can see it. So we'll centre mirror and left signal as normal, but we'll just stay in the right lane. If I pause it again just now, you can see as we come off, it's a bus lane on the left as well. So instead of coming off in the left lane as we normally would, we're going to come off in the right lane instead. Remember, when we're following bus lanes, it's going to end eventually. This one we can see is ending because of this little blue sign. And as you can see from the road markings, we're just going to be merging together. Remember, it's not always just buses that use bus lanes. Sometimes other vehicles are allowed to use them depending on the sign, including taxis, cyclists, motorcyclists, goods vehicles, and quite often emergency vehicles will use them as well. So all of these things can be quicker and smaller than a bus. So if you're only looking for a bus, you might not see them all. On this roundabout, we're going right third exit towards the A34. So on the approach, we did centre mirror and right signal and got in the right lane. As we go on the roundabout, we stay in the right lane because that's the lane we've approached in. If I pause the video here, you can see from this green sign that we can go to the A34 from the middle lane and the right lane around that corner. We're going to choose the middle lane because we're not overtaking anybody. So we've got to be careful of anybody from the left lane that also wants to go into that middle lane. As you can see from the road markings though, it should be our lane to go to, but we've always got to check for people that might be lost. So as we go forward, centre mirror and left mirror a few times, and even a chin to shoulder check to the left is a good idea. Coming around the corner into this middle lane, ready to take the third exit once we pass the second one. I fast forwarded a bit to save a little bit of time. So as it goes green, it's centre left mirror, right mirror, checking for Bob and Tom. As we can see, the people in the left lane are going off to the left here. So as we pass this second exit, we're now in the left lane. So centre mirror, left signal, ready for the third exit. Remembering that tyres and tarmac gap with the van in front. As we move off, checking for Bob and Tom again. And then coming off the roundabout into the left lane. Remembering new road, new mirrors, making sure it's safe to get up to speed. Thanks for watching our video on multi-lane roundabouts using a drone. Hopefully you found it really useful. Please like our videos, subscribe to our channel, and if you've got any questions, ask below in the comments and we'll reply as soon as we can. Thanks. Bye.